Welcome back to MoveAdvisor, your ultimate guide to making your home move easier, cheaper, and safer. I'm Pete, and today we're diving into 10 ways your moving costs can skyrocket and how to stop them in their tracks. Number 1, the oops, I'm not ready trap. Imagine this, you're still stuffing socks into boxes when the movers roll up. Not good. They'll have to help, and guess what? That means extra labour charges. So do yourself and your wallet a favour and get everything packed and labelled ahead of time. Number 2, the packing gone wrong problem. If your fragile items are just chilling loose in a box, movers might have to repack them to keep them safe. And yep, that's going to cost you. Invest in sturdy boxes and bubble wrap, or hire pros to do it right. Number 3, the wait, let's take this to mistake. Last minute decisions to bring extra furniture or boxes, that adds to the load size and your final bill. Stick to your original moving plan to keep costs in check. Number 4, the surprise, I have a piano. Got heavy or speciality items like a safe or piano? Those need special handling, and if movers aren't prepped, extra fees will hit you. Always disclose large items ahead of time. Number 5, the elevator's broken oversight. Movers find out last minute that they have to haul your couch up 10 flights of stairs. That's going to cost extra. Be upfront about staircases, tight hallways, or elevator issues. Number 6, the just one more stop detour. Every extra pickup or drop off adds time and distance to your move, which means extra charges. Try to keep it one and done. Number 7, the I need storage whoops dilemma. If your new place isn't ready and your stuff needs to be stored, expect storage fees. Plan your timelines carefully to avoid this. Number 8, the parking nightmare. If the moving truck has to park a mile away because of bad parking options, movers will be hauling your stuff longer and you'll pay for that extra effort. Secure a good parking spot beforehand. Number 9, the I need it now rush request. Want your belongings delivered as soon as possible? Expedited delivery comes at a price. Plan ahead to avoid those rush fees. Number 10, the Mother Nature said nope factor. Weather, road closures, random delays, sometimes life happens. While you can't control everything, staying informed and flexible can help minimize surprise costs. By planning ahead and communicating with your movers, you can keep your move smooth, stress-free, and budget-friendly. For more expert moving tips, check out the link in the description and visit MoveAdvisor.com for comprehensive moving guides. Safe travels and happy moving. Bye.